to show everyone Stellar can roll over. He's 3 months old on the 15th. Come here.
Hey!
Let's stand up and maybe.
Hey! Hey! Over here, buddy!
Why are you staring at the camera? You rolled over like 3 times. 10 minutes ago. You come on. Stellar. Oh, now he's going to watch TV.
He's watching TV right now, so we're trying to get him to roll, but he won't. He's acting glued off.
Yeah. Here he comes. Come on.
Come on. I was like, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's always fun to see her like you're handed.
Hold on. No. Here you go. Stop. Watch. Stay there. Sit down.
1 second.
Look. Look at him. Hold on. Watch him. Move, guys. Move. I got to get him off his face, guys. Get off.
He just rolled like this.
What did you do? What did you do, Toki Head? Huh? What did you do? What did you do? Now where are you going? He said he's going to crawl now. He thinks he's big stuff. I think I'm big stuff. Look, there he goes. He's got like a fish. I'll get your arm. There. Stellar. Stellar.
Mom, I just kicked myself in here. Look, I just kicked myself.